Hey guys, Tom from Less Dollar here. In today's review, I wanted to talk about the Mr. Rebates Cashback Shopping website. And if you're familiar with cashback shopping, it's as easy as clicking a link and getting cash back. So for instance, if you were to click on the Sam's Club link, you'd get 2% cash back as long as you click through their special link. Now, in the world of these cashback shopping sites, there's a ton of them. And if you're going to shop online, you should always get cash back on your purchases. You should always be able to get at least 1% cash back, if not more, depending on who you go through. I've written about these cashback sites in the past, and I wanted to focus on Mr. Rebates and to show you how it works and if it's one of those that you should keep at the top of your list. As in all my reviews, I always like to see the people behind the scenes. It gets you an idea of who's running it, if it's legit. Mr. Rebates is a legitimate enterprise. They will pay. They were established in 2002. They're considered one of the first cashback websites, and it's just an inventive way to save money via cashback while shopping online. Aside from shopping online, they also offer deals of sorts, they offer coupons, and then they have other shopper features as well. I'll get into that in a little bit. All you're going to do to use the site is you're going to search for a store. You'll click on the store name, and then when you check out, you'll get a rebate report, and you'll get paid after your rebate clears. I've already mentioned before in the intro really quick, but it's as simple as finding a store you want to shop at, clicking on it, and getting a percentage back. So let's jump in and see how it works in detail. So to join Mr. Rebates, you can do one or two things. You can either connect your Gmail account, or you can create a new account in which you can log in here. So as you're going to see in the sign in page, you're going to have to give them some information such as your email, create a password. If someone referred to you, that's optional, as well as your address. You're going to need to submit that because they will want to send the cash back to that address. Signing up takes about a minute. Once you fill out this form you see here, you can access your dashboard, which we will get into next here. Once you sign up, it's 100% free. You can access your dashboard, and it's going to look something like this. On the top here, you're going to have a store category as well. You can access your account, and then there's a help section as well. If you click on the stores, you can sort by categories. If you're looking to shop at a certain place, you may be able to find something of interest. Usually, most of the time, you already know where you're going to shop. So, for example, if you were shopping at Nike, you could just type in Nike, and it'll take you to the page. So in this instant, you can get 8% cash back, and all you need to do is click that Shop Now button. And once you click on that Shop Now, then you will get 8% added to your account if you make the purchase. Now, it's not as easy as getting 8% cash back and getting paid tomorrow. What you're going to find out is that you're going to have to wait a certain amount of time, and you will find this in the frequently asked questions. So the question right here is, how long does it take for a cashback rebate to be posted? And it says right here, it says most orders are posted in a short time, but on average you're going to see a pending rebate, and that will usually post within 1 to 3 days. However, it could take up to 30 days after the order, because what they don't want you to do is buy those shoes, and then you get the rebate, and then you return them. So not only you get the rebate, they get screwed, and you get not only the rebate, but you get your cash back. So if you're wondering how they make money, it's a good question, but it's simple. So what happens is these websites often get a kickback from the online retailer. So for example, Nike will pay 8% to you, but they may be giving them 10%. So they're going to pocket that 2% difference. And this is how most of the site work and describe. So it's not a scam. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. I promise you that. If we jump back to the dashboard, again, you have the store section, and if we look at the help section, you have the frequently asked questions. It's super simple. Again, type in any store that you want. They almost have any store. It has to be online. It's not in-store. So in this case, they do not offer a Walmart cashback. It's coupons only. So you're going to find that some stores will not offer cashback. That's okay, because there may be another site, aside from Mr. Rebates, that's due. And that gets me into my next point here. So whenever you use these online cashback sites, don't go to your favorite, like if it was Mr. Rebates, and just buy your shoes at Nike. Instead, you're going to want to make sure you're getting the best rate. And if you go to cashbackmonitor.com, this is a cool site that will compare all the hottest cashback sites that show you what you can get. So in this case, Mr. Rebates offers 8% for Nike, and it's towards the top. But Rebates Me offers 1% more. So if you're willing to sign up for that site and get the 9%, it's up to you. I mean, 8%, if it's in the top and that 1% is worth signing up, then go for it. If not, just stick to what you have. But if you see that you were, say, a part of the city bonus cash center and you're using your city card, it's well worth it to sign up for Mr. Rebates or Top Cashback and get 4% more. That's $4 for every $100 you spend. So if you are going to use cashback, which I always recommend you do online, you're going to want to make sure you use Cashback Monitor to compare the rates. It's free. You don't need to sign up or anything, and you can instantly see how much cashback you can get and who's offering the best rate at this time. Once it comes time to cash out, you're going to need at least $10 in available rebate to do so, and then you can cash out via PayPal or via a check that will be sent through the mail. And if you want to request check or gift card or PayPal, you're just going to have to go to the request PayPal page. It's going to look something like this. At this time I don't have $10, but it'll tell you your balance on that page, and that can be referred to your account balance page, which will be found underneath your account right here, the account balance. Aside from that, once you do cash out, it will be sent at the beginning of each month for the previous month's payment. So for example, if your payment requests are made from September 1st to 30th, it'll be processed on the first day of October, and you will not pay any fees. Mr. Rebate gives you everything that you've earned, so there will not be any fees involved. Again, when you go back to your dashboard, I highly recommend you check out the frequently asked section, as well as check out your account. Aside from shopping, you can also refer friends, and when you refer friends, you can get $5 every time your referral gets cash back, as well as a bonus equal to 20% of the rebate. At least this is the time when I'm doing this video. This could change. You can share a link, you can email your friends, and you'll get a special link that'll track you there. Aside from that, you'll see in your My Account summary, it'll keep track of what you've clicked on, as well as you can add favorite stores, and then you can request your check, gift card, PayPal once you hit that $10 minimum. So how does Mr. Rebates compare in regards to other competitors? Well, you're in luck, because I did do some research. I compared other top sites as I showed on Cashback Monitor, and as you can see on my screenshot here, I took 10 random retailers, usually the biggest ones like Macy's, eBay, Target, and what you can see is they fell in the top 3 or 4 in some cases, but in other instances they were 8th, 6th, as you can see. They're not always in the top. The only one was Ulta, so this goes back to my point that you should go and see who offers the best rate, because Mr. Rebates isn't always in the top 3. In fact, there's a slim chance it will be. So in the end, I'm going to say Mr. Rebates isn't the best. It's not the worst. Again, as long as you compare, you're going to find out that you're going to be going off to better places like Top Cashback or Rakuten, which is formerly known as eBay. And quickly, I wanted to sum up the good and bad. I always do this in my reviews. The good, it has A+ BB rating. You only need $10 to cash out. It's very easy to use. They have one of the better refer a friend options. They work with more than 3,000 retailers, and then you have the PayPal options, as I mentioned earlier. It's easy to sign up. As for the bad, the sign-up bonus, why it's nice, is pretty low compared to competitors. The cashback rates aren't the best, as you could see prior. They barely fall in the top 3 most time. That's why you should compare. So important. And then for some merchants, it can take up to 90 days to get your cash back. You can't use coupons or else it avoids your cash back. And there's no bulk purchases, which sometimes people like to do if they own a business and such. So, and then Mr. Rebates doesn't fall in the top 3. I'd say it's more in the top 5. It is a legitimate company. They will pay you. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but if you do use those comparison searches like Cashback Monitor and you see that they're offering the best rate, then sign up. I mean, if you're going to spend $100 and you get 10% back, you'll hit that $10 payout, and then you can get through PayPal. So don't think that this isn't a scam. It's just not the best company out there. It is free to join. It's quick, as you can see. That concludes the video. As always, you can go to Lush Dollar to see other ways to make money or be smart with your money, save money, all kinds of honest reviews. You can also follow the videos. I continue to add them. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps out a lot, or like the videos. That concludes it. I will see you guys next time.